In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $200 every single week working from home. So if you are the type that is working from home, maybe you are stay-at-home mom or you work 9-to-5 job, these are all things you can do. You can do all of this stuff using your smartphone. And this video, I'm going to show you how you can do all of this stuff using your smartphone. So you can see right here that this is my name, and you can see that so far I've been able to earn $4.83 from this particular account, and these are things I did with my smartphone, and anybody can do any of this stuff. So you can see that what I'm teaching you is actually what I am doing, though being that I'm not too active on this particular account still yet, I've been able to earn at least $4.83 from this account, telling you that anybody can do this. And if this is what you want to do, maybe you are stay-at-home mom, you are stay-at-home dad, or you work 9-to-5 job, these are things you can do as an extra for yourself, though they may not pay you as you expected, but you may definitely be rewarded the pay if you put in the effort. And I'm showing you that if you put in the effort, at least you can be making at least $200 to $100 every single week. And the cool thing is that there are so many payment methods that you can actually use to withdraw your earnings from this platform. Now let me quickly show you various methods that you can actually take your money, withdraw your money from this particular platform, and how you can actually withdraw your money. And there are so many payment methods that you can actually use to withdraw your earning from this particular platform. Now let me quickly show you how you can withdraw your earning from this particular platform, because there is no need after you work and there is no means of withdrawing your earning. So in this video I'll also show you how you can withdraw your earning from this particular platform. Now let me quickly show you how you can actually withdraw your earning from this platform, to tell you that all that I'm showing you here is what I am doing. You can see that I've been able to earn $4.83 from this particular account. And if I want to withdraw, I will go to where it says my reward. Where it says my reward, then sorry, nothing to show here. Go to the reward store and click OK. Then let me go to where it says transaction history and see how it sees transaction history. Let me click here. So anybody can actually do this. It's asking me to input my password. I'm not going to do that again. Let me go back here. Recommended for you. You can see if I've been able to complete this survey right now, you see that I'm going to earn 15 cents, but that is not what I want to do. Let's say where it says cash out, okay, where it says cash out. So if I want to cash out this money, you're going to see there are so many payment methods that I can use. You can see Amazon DE, Amazon FR, and Pioneer, and Amazon EX. So there are so many payment methods you can actually use to withdraw your earning from this platform. They have about 18 payment methods that you can actually use to withdraw your money from this particular account. And you can see that Pioneer, if you want to use Pioneer as a payment method, you are going to earn at least $25 to $252 to withdraw. But the minimum to withdraw with Pioneer is $25. With $25 earned already, you can be able to withdraw your money. See, there are so many other payment methods. You can see PayPal. You can withdraw $5.80 to $110 from Pioneer. If you want to use a PayPal as an alternative for your withdrawing method, you can withdraw minimum of $5. Are you getting me? With other payment methods like that and just like so. So there are other so many payment methods that you can actually use. You can see Medium Market Spain. You can withdraw $11 to $110. You see this one, Apple Switzerland, $5.50 you can use. Once you earn any of this minimum balance, you can go ahead and withdraw. So assuming I want to withdraw this mine, you can simply go ahead and use PayPal, which is around $5.80. I can just go 5.80 cents. I can just go ahead and withdraw because I've already earned around $4.83 already. So telling you that what I'm about to show you here is actually what I'm doing, and anybody can do this. So if you are still at home mom, you can actually do this. So all you need to do is go to a platform called Ysense. Though I will leave the link at the description of this video so that you can go ahead to use the link and sign up an account. It's completely free. You are not paying to sign up an account, just go ahead, use the link to sign up an account, and you begin to do one or two things with this platform. So the platform I'm talking about is actually called YSense. So it was actually, initially it was called ClickSense, yes, basically ClickSense, but later on, far back, they changed it to YSense, and it's still the same thing. The work is still the same way. So it's a platform that actually gives you access to complete so many things. If you are the one that is staying at home, you are just strolling on social media without getting paid, without doing any stuff, so you can take advantage of YSense. So on YSense, there are so many things that you can do, to basically earn money doing those stuff. And one of those things that you can do is completing survey. And the thing I love so much about YSense is that the platform is legit. And if you know more about this YSense account, this YSense that's been for so many years, that been in fact since 2020. So, and this platform is still active and still working and is still paying a lot of people. Are you getting me? So one of the things that you can actually do on YSense to get paid is completely surveying. There are so many surveys right here on this platform. You can see complete surveying. So all you just need to do, you can see the survey that I've given me already today. I can still go ahead to exploit so many surveys. You can see if I complete this survey in 29 minutes, I'm going to earn 15 cents. If I complete this, I'm going to also earn 15 cents. And you can see that I said view all surveys. That means there are still many surveys right here for me to complete. Are you getting? There are still many surveys right here for me to complete. So there are ways, so many ways you can actually earn from this platform is by completing surveying. They have other one which is called offers. YSense also have offers, and there are so many offer company right here that you can actually do, as you are seeing right here on the screen. There are so many offer company working with YSense that you can actually partner with them and complete any offer that you want, and you go ahead to earn your money, and all your money will be credited to you, whereby you are going to see everything reflecting on your account. And also you can also play some games to earn. There are so many games on this particular platform called YSense that you can actually do to earn money. Playing those surveys, you are not just playing those games, you play those games, you earn. Unlike playing those games on your phone, which at the end of the day you are not going to earn, or downloading those games at the end of the day you are not going to earn. But if you put in the effort in this platform, playing those games, you are going to earn playing those games using your time. And another one is the affiliate program. They have affiliate program that rewards you. The affiliate program that rewards you, when you refer people, you have a commission that you're going to earn. And those people that you refer, when they refer other people, they also have commission that you are going to earn, and they too are going to earn. And that is what I love so much about the affiliate program, because the affiliate program gives you a broad way to earn. You earn through, you earn through sign up commission. When you sign up an account on YSense, you are going to earn 10 cents to 30 cents. Just by signing up an account. If you sign up an account right now and activate your account, you are going to earn a commission of 10 to 30 cents, depending on your country. Are you getting me? But the minimum is 10 cents. If you are from country like ours, you are going to earn 10 cents for signing up an account. Are you getting me? Then if you complete activities also, you are going to earn for completing activities. See, for every approved survey offer you referral complete, you earn a whooping 10% commission of that they earn. Now, for instance, you refer someone, and someone you refer complete a survey. When they complete a survey or complete an offer, the commission they earn, you are going to earn 10% of it. Not that they are not going to pay them their complete commission. Let's assume they complete a survey or complete an offer and they earn like $30. You are going to earn 10% from that $30. Though that $30 is going to be credited to them completely, but you are going to earn extra 10% from that $30. That is what they are trying to mean right here. And once you refer and that first $5, excluding commission and bonuses, you will also earn an extra $2. You see, when someone you refer earn $5 after they have referred or after they have completed one or two things and they're able to earn $5, you see, you are going to also earn extra $2 as a bonus from them. So that is the cool thing about the affiliate program. So if I were you, I'll put in more effort on the affiliate program, because that will give you the more opportunity to make more money using the affiliate program. And like I said, the cool thing is that they have so many ways that you can actually withdraw, actually to cash out. So there is nothing like there's no way for you to withdraw. There's so many ways for you to withdraw. You can use PayPal, you can use Payoneer, you can use Amazon gift card, you can use Amazon DE. So whichever method that you want, you can use it to withdraw your money. And also they have a forum where like-minded people come to share their challenges or what they are facing on the platform, and where you can make a complaint of whatever challenges you are having on the platform. So you can join that forum. When you join that forum, you are going to see other people that are also doing well with the platform and the strategies and methods they are using. So you can also take advantage of all of this. You can see that forum, that this is the forum where you can join. You can see people, other people also making inquiry about one or two things. You can see their platform, their forum. You can also join their forum, and you can see right here that also I'm a member in this forum, which also you can join this forum and also take advantage of it and know one or two things people are doing on this forum, the strategy people are using to actually earn from this platform. You can take advantage of all of this. Just go ahead and check it out and see how it is. So when you come to more, you see my bonuses, others, and all of that. So assuming you want to be getting notification, whenever there is surveying, whenever there is anything, whenever there is offer, whenever there is something for you to do, you can just go ahead and download their browsers. You can go ahead and download their browser. Which I want to do this, I can just go ahead and add it. And if I add it, this is going to appear. Are you getting? This is going to appear on my browser. If I want to add it on my Chrome or Firefox, or I want to add it on this particular one, once I add it, it's going to be appearing like this. So whenever there is surveying, I'm going to just get a notification on my screen right here that surveying is available, and it's going to appear like this. I can just go ahead and go and do it before other people will come in and take advantage of it. So that is the advantage of adding the Chrome extension into your browser. When you add it, you're not going to miss any surveying from this platform. Are you getting me? So you're not going to miss any survey. This is going to show. This is going to show notification. You see, this exactly is going to show invitation, survey invitation from this company, and survey invitation from this company, and all of that. Just like so, So there are so many surveys that you can actually do from this platform. So if you can go ahead to add a browser into your Google Chrome or into your Firefox, you can just go ahead and add it, because it's going to help you to earn more, because you are not going to be missing any survey when there is surveying on this particular platform. So you can also check your bonuses. If you have any stuff that you have done, or maybe you have earned any bonuses, right here you're going to see all your bonuses. If you have made any bonuses, there are no bonuses currently available for your account, because I'm not actually getting any bonus. So as there is bonus, I can go ahead to this is where you are going to basically see all the bonuses I have from this account. But right now I don't have any bonus. So the cool thing I want to also recommend for you to do is it's very, very important to also install the application. You see, they have Google Play. You can go ahead to install it, but I will advise you to install it from here. You can just click here. You go ahead to install their app. They have it on Play Store. They have it on Apple Store. So you can just go ahead and download their application into your phone. That one will make it more easier for you to get more application and to complete more offer and more survey, and that one will give you an edge above other people who do not have the app on their phone. And you can see there are some survey that you can do. You can earn amazing $35. You can see this one on the screen. You can earn $35. See this one, you can even earn $22.10 from this particular platform, completing just this survey. So these are the things that you can basically do. Look at this one. You can also earn $1.90 from this platform. So these are the things you can do right here in Nigeria using your smartphone. So if you are the type that have been wasting your data rolling on social media without earning any stuff, you can take advantage of Ysense and begin to use it for your own benefit, and use it to earn at least $200 above or $100 every single week. And these things are achievable depending on the effort you are going to put into this stuff. If you put in a lot of effort, you are going to the platform is also going to reward you for it. So if this is what interests you, just go ahead to use the link at the description of this video to get an account. It's completely free and you are good to go. And if you enjoyed this video or you have any question that you want to add, don't forget to leave me a comment at the description, at the comment section of this video. If you have any question, you have any challenges, or you have tried this particular platform before now and it did not work out, or it worked out, or you are paid or you are not paid, just feel free to leave your comment at the comment section of this video, and I'll be happy to hear from you. So if you enjoyed this video and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell to all, so once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of new upload. And if you have not liked this video so far, please like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people who are searching for stuff like this. So guys, I will see you again in our next video, so stay safe.